Acura NSX turned into a trailer, the coolest camper on the road. What do you do with a damaged sports car that can't hit the road anymore? One creative car enthusiast found the answer: turn it into a trailer. That's exactly what happened to an old Acura NSX. After being wrecked in multiple accidents, this Japanese sports car was no longer roadworthy. But instead of sending it to the junkyard, someone gave it a wild new purpose. The result? A head-turning trailer that looks like half an NSX cruising down the road. It's the perfect blend of style, surprise, and ingenuity. Imagine pulling up to a campsite with a trailer that once raced down highways, now used to pitch a tent. Even better, this trailer is more than just a cool shell. It's fully functional, with enough space to store gear and even a small Honda Motocompo motorcycle inside. Campers nearby are sure to stop and stare as the tent pops up on this sporty trailer. AEK1. The AEK1 is a game-changing fitness system that brings advanced workout technology into your home. Its compact design folds down to just 0.3 meters, making it 90% smaller than traditional gym equipment, perfect for those with limited space. With over 140 classes and 280 exercises, the AKK1 offers a variety of workouts, including strength training, Pilates, yoga, and aerobics, so you can target all your fitness goals. The AI-powered system tracks your movements and gives real-time feedback, creating personalized workout plans based on your fitness level and objectives. But it's not just about workouts. The AKK1 also provides detailed fitness assessments, helping you monitor things like cardiovascular endurance, muscle strength, and flexibility. This holistic approach ensures you're improving in every aspect of your health. The Argo Cargo Kit is a smart and practical way to turn your regular bike into a cargo bike without needing to buy a whole new one. If you live in the city, have limited space, or just want a flexible solution, this kit is perfect. It takes only about a minute to install. Just remove your bike's front wheel and attach the Argo frame to the fork. That's it. Your regular bike is now ready to carry serious loads. The front frame includes a large basket that can hold up to 68 kilograms, making it great for groceries, deliveries, or even carrying kids. It's built strong, so you can trust it for daily use. Despite its strength, the Argo Kit is lightweight and doesn't make your bike feel bulky or hard to ride. One of the best things about the Argo Cargo Kit is that you can take it off whenever you want and use your bike like normal again. It's ideal for people who want both convenience and versatility without needing two bikes or extra storage space. Aria Gen 2. Meta's Aria Gen 2 smart glasses are pushing the boundaries of wearable technology. These glasses are designed to improve AI, machine perception, and robotics, building on the original Aria project. With advanced sensors like RGB cameras, spatial microphones, eye tracking, and SLAM cameras, they provide a highly accurate sense of your surroundings and movements. Aria Gen 2 also includes features that make it more accessible, especially for people with low vision or blindness. It has a heart rate monitoring sensor and a contact microphone to improve usability. Plus, it comes with on-device AI for speech recognition, hand tracking, and real-time mapping, making it smarter and easier to use in everyday situations. These smart glasses offer 6 to 8 hours of active use on a single charge and have a lightweight, foldable design that makes them easy to carry around. Aria Gen 2 isn't just about innovation. Ballistic Dart Launcher. Ballistic dart launchers may look like toys at first glance, but they pack a real punch. Found in the self-defense sections of many online stores, these launchers are surprisingly effective tools. With the ability to hit targets from over 9 meters away and a solid accuracy at 6 meters, they're much more than just fun gadgets. Blue Walker 3 Satellite. The Blue Walker 3 satellite is revolutionizing global communication by creating the world's first space-based mobile network. This network connects directly to everyday smartphones, meaning you don't need any special hardware. With its giant 693 square foot antenna, Blue Walker 3 is already making history. It's the first satellite to enable a voice call and 5G connection from space, using just a regular unmodified phone. In partnership with major companies like AT&T and Vodafone, Blue Walker 3 is working to bridge the digital divide and eliminate connectivity gaps across land, sea, and air. This satellite will bring fast 4G and 5G coverage to even the most remote corners of the world, where traditional cell networks can't reach. This is more than just new technology. It's a major leap toward global mobile connectivity. The Colo GCS audio system is a game changer in both design and sound quality. With a look that's as bold as a Cybertruck, it stands out from typical audio systems. But it's not just about its cool design, it's also super practical. The system can be mounted directly onto a gamer's chair in just 5 minutes, providing a seamless setup that fits perfectly into your gaming space. In terms of sound, the Colo GCS offers an impressive 7.1.2 channel system with 11 speakers and a total power of 30 watts. It has 3 modes: movie, universal, and gaming. In gaming mode, the sound is designed to give you precise audio positioning, helping you hear every footstep and in-game sound with amazing clarity so you can spot enemies and react faster. At $429, the Colo GCS brings high-quality sound and convenience to gamers who want to take their audio experience to the next level. Dear TV, ultimate protection for your outdoor TV. Since 2010, Dear TV has been making outdoor TVs safer with their strong and stylish protective cases. Trusted in over 120 countries, they stand out by using aluminum and steel in their cases, making them more durable and long-lasting compared to plastic alternatives. These cases are designed to last up to 5 times longer than plastic models. Dear TV cases come with an IP65 protection rating, which means they're completely dust-proof and can handle rain with ease. Plus, the front panel offers extra defense against vandals and animals, keeping your screen safe from damage. If you have a TV up to 43 inches, you can get one of these tough cases for about $293. Electric Turbo Lighter. The electric turbo lighter is the smarter, easier way to light anything, anytime. No flame, no gas, just a powerful electric arc that works with a single button press. It's completely windproof, so you can use it outdoors without any hassle, even in strong wind or rain. Whether you're lighting candles at home, firing up the grill, or starting a campfire, this lighter gets the job done fast and reliably. Forget about running out of fuel or buying disposable lighters. This one charges with a USB cable, just like your phone. A full charge lasts for days, and you can power it up anywhere, at home, in the car, or on the go. It's also sleek and compact, fitting easily into your pocket, purse, or backpack. The modern design looks great and feels solid in your hand. Plus, it's safer to use since there's no open flame. Expedition Racks, adventure-ready gear for your ride. If you love road trips or off-road adventures, an Expedition Rack is one of the best upgrades for your vehicle, especially if you're driving a Land Cruiser 300 or a Suzuki Jimny. It's like giving your car a backpack. FlexTail Zero Pump. The FlexTail Zero Pump is a super compact, lightweight device that's perfect for any adventure. Weighing only 34 grams and roughly the size of a candy bar, it's easy to slip into your pocket or attach to your backpack, making it ideal for camping, hiking, or travel. Despite its small size, this little pump is incredibly useful. You can use it to start a fire, inflate a mattress, or deflate vacuum storage bags. Great for saving space when packing. It delivers a maximum pressure of 2.5 kilopascals and offers a full 25 minutes of use on a single charge, so it's ready when you need it most. At just $48.50, the FlexTail Zero Pump is an affordable, practical tool that makes life a lot easier. Whether you're setting up camp or organizing your gear, this tiny pump has everything you need in one handy, portable package. It's the ultimate outdoor companion that won't weigh you down. Glow-in-the-dark t-shirt. Light up your look. This isn't just your average t-shirt. It's a glow-in-the-dark t-shirt that brings a whole new level of fun to your wardrobe. During the day, it looks like any other stylish tee, but when the lights go out, the design on the shirt starts to glow. Whether you're at a party, concert, or just hanging out, you'll definitely stand out in the dark. What's cool is that it doesn't need any batteries or wires. The special glow-in-the-dark print just charges up when exposed to light, whether it's sunlight or artificial light. Honeybee double-barreled pistol. Compact, comfortable, and easy to carry. The Honeybee is a double-barreled pistol that comes in different calibers, including 22 Magnum, 9mm, and 38 Special. It's designed to be compact, making it both easy to carry and fun to shoot. At less than 14 centimeters long, the Honeybee is small enough to be easily hidden in a deep pocket. The grip is just 2.6 centimeters thick, so it feels comfortable and snug in your hand, even for extended use. This makes it a great option for those looking for a concealed carry weapon that won't weigh them down. People who've used the Honeybee praise how comfortable it feels, giving you a secure grip even in stressful situations. While it does only have a 2-round capacity, this might not be an issue for those who want a simple, quick-access firearm for personal protection. While it's not the most powerful or high-capacity gun out there, the Honeybee makes up for it with its compact size, ease of use, and comfort. Kawasaki Corleo Walks. The Kawasaki Corleo Walks is an exciting new concept that blends robotics with motorcycle engineering to change how we move off-road. With 4 robotic legs and adaptive hooves, it mimics natural walking movements, making it perfect for tackling tough terrains like grass, gravel, and uneven paths. Powered by a 150cc hydrogen engine, the Corleo is an eco-friendly vehicle that doesn't compromise on performance. What makes it unique is how riders control it. Inspired by horseback riding, the controls feel natural and intuitive, offering a thrilling and immersive riding experience. It's like nothing you've ever ridden before, an adventure that combines cutting-edge technology with sustainability. Debuting at the Osaka Expo in 2025, the Corleo Walks will showcase the future of personal mobility. By using hydrogen fuel, it demonstrates the potential for a greener, more sustainable way of getting around. Knuckle Stun Gun. For just $35, the Knuckle Stun Gun combo is a smart and powerful self-defense tool that combines the power of brass knuckles with the shock of a stun gun. One of the biggest benefits of this combo is its secure grip, even in stressful situations, so you don't have to worry about losing control. It's small enough to easily fit in your pocket, making it perfect for carrying around every day. Despite its compact size, it offers a great mix of affordability and effectiveness. Lab-grown meat. Lab-grown meat, also known as cultivated or cultured meat, is changing the way we produce food. Instead of raising and slaughtering animals, this innovative process collects animal cells and grows them in a lab until they become real meat. No cruelty, no waste, just sustainable food. The benefits of lab-grown meat are huge. It helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions, uses less land and water, and offers a more sustainable way to meet the world's need for protein. It looks, tastes, and has the same nutritional value as traditional meat, but with a much smaller environmental impact. As technology advances, major food companies and governments are working hard to bring lab-grown meat to the mainstream. Soon, it could be found in grocery stores or even served at your favorite restaurants. This is not some far-off idea. It's happening now and promises a cleaner, greener future for food. Lab-grown meat is a breakthrough in food production that could help solve environmental issues while feeding more people. It's an exciting step toward a more sustainable and ethical way to enjoy meat without compromising on taste or quality.